Hello everyone, let's quickly take a look at how we can get a particular GitHub repository locally without using the command line interface. So quickly, I'm going to jump into my screen right now. And basically, all you have to do is you have to know the particular GitHub repo that you want to clone, all right? So if I scroll down here, I'm just going to click on one of my pinned repository here, right? And basically, when you want to clone a repository, the normal way you do it is you come to code and you copy this and you use the command git clone, then you paste the URL, right? But some of my subscribers asked me to show them how they can actually get whatever GitHub repository to the local system without using git clone. And the other way you can do it is you can actually download zip, right? So once you click on this download zip, you're going to go ahead to download the zip version of this particular repository, all right? Now, once you click on the downloaded folder, just open it. All right, so after you download it, you're going to see something like this, right? Python refresher course, right? And you can double click to actually unzip that particular file, right? So once you double click on it, it's going to unzip that folder. Or if you don't have the application for unzipping file, you can just quickly go to your browser and just search for WinRAR. So if you're using a Windows system, just search for WinRAR WinRAR download, right? So just go ahead to download this particular WinRAR version. I'm going to also attach it to the description box below. So once you download it, it's going to install on your system, and once you are done installing that, you can just come back to the file that you downloaded, right click on it and click on unzip, right? So once you unzip it, you're going to have something like this, all right? So you have to double click. So once I open it, you can see that everything now that we add here, so everything that we add here, Python basic, Streamlit, control flow, and all of that, everything that we have there, everything that we have here currently is now here, right? So but one of the downside of using this is once the person that owns this repository goes ahead to make updates, you would have to download the old zip again, right? So that's why sometimes using git clone, the URL is actually better, all right? So let me know in the comment section which one you guys prefer. To be honest, whichever one you want to use, go ahead to use it as far as um you are getting what you need, right? For me, I prefer the CLI. I only use download zip version once in a while. And let me know again if you guys want me to do any video about anything. This video was requested by some of my subscribers, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.